What's cracking, y'all? It's your boy Futuristic back with NFTs Amplify. You see the mother freaking drip, man. Today we gonna talk about what the fuck is an NFT? NFT. Been seeing it everywhere. What is it? Why does it exist? Why are people making so much money off of it? How do you make one? Why is it important for musicians? We're gonna answer all of those questions today. First of all, an NFT is a non-fungible token. Shit sounds weird. Sounds like it could be a mushroom. It's not. It's something completely different than that. What it is a digital rare item. It's a very rare item that has some sort of coding in it that you can create and you can sell on the internet. Now, it's very weird. It's a very weird concept to think about because I've seen a LeBron James highlight of him dunking as an NFT, and this sold for $208,000, and it's a highlight that you could just watch on YouTube. But because who it's made by, who made this specific NFT, and it's one of a kind, it sold for $208,000. Musicians just started tapping in with this technology, with NFTs. Blau just sold his for $3.6 million. Illmind just sold the first ever sample loop melody pack with a contract and royalty-free loops for $6,000. So people are going online and they are creating an image or creating just their songs and they are uploading them. Maybe they're an unreleased song. The homie from Linkin Park just dropped an unreleased song as an NFT, and he said whoever gets this NFT is also going to get a signed poster, assigned this, assigned that. So this is very cool for musicians because you're going to be able to offer exclusive, crazy content that can be very rare, and people are going to want to collect it. What I've noticed is there are a couple big sites that are kind of curating this. I see Nifty Gateway being one of these big sites that's curating a lot of big art. There's also Mintable.app. There's also Rarible.com where you can go on as a musician and you can create your own NFT. Another cool thing about the NFTs is you can create your percentage. So if I sell you an NFT, it's almost like kind of like selling a stock, but it's more rare than that, right? So if I sell you an NFT for $5 and then 10 years from now or a year from now, you sell that same NFT, but you sell it for $1 million, I can choose what percentage I'm going to get of that NFT before I sell it. So I'm able to say forever, as long as this NFT sells of my song, I'm going to get 15% of every transaction of this singular NFT. So in perpetuity, you can continue to get percentages of your original piece of art selling over and over again. Blau sold his NFT for $3.6 million. This was his music that he made as an NFT. And when doing that, he also gave incentives. He said, whoever gets this NFT is going to get the chance to collaborate on my next song. So this just tells me as a musician, if you are going to try to jump into this market, you have to find ways to be creative and offer incentives to your fans and people that might bid for your NFT and pay the big dollars to maybe work with you, get something exclusive from you, and own this rare collectible. Think of it kind of like a rare Pokemon card, a rare sports card, or if you're a musician, a vinyl, right? You can hear Wu-Tang's album on Spotify, on Apple Music, on anything, but the person who owns that vinyl paid a ton of money for it so they could collect it, so they could have it, right? There's a Wu-Tang vinyl that sold for $2 million. There's a Prince one that sold for $300,000. There's all these different things that people like to collect. Just like sports cards, Pokemon cards, now there's NFTs for all sorts of different things. After doing all my research on this, and I found the sites that you can upload on, they are Mintable.app and Rarible.com. Now, when you create your NFT, it's not as simple as somebody going and spending US dollars or whatever country you live in, those type of currencies. This is like Bitcoin or anything else. You have to buy it in Ethereum. So you have to connect your MetaMask web wallet, your Coinbase, all of those different things, your digital wallet, so you can buy with Ethereum, and then you have to go over and you have to transfer it. So please make sure you do your research. Please make sure that you are being safe about how you are uploading these things, how you are getting involved in this. Look up the pros and cons of the digital wallets that you should be using before you upload your NFT. I think I'm gonna give this a try. I'm gonna see what the hype is all about. I'm gonna upload an NFT. I'll let you guys know how it goes. I'm going to do an unreleased song that nobody's ever heard in a completely different genre. And when I do that, I will give you guys the results. Right now, make sure you continue to do your research, as this is an ever-evolving new revolution in the music industry and in all other industries. NFTs, are they here to stay? Are they not? It's worth looking into. If you want to find out about how to use them, check the links in the description and, indieamplify.com, baby. Sheesh.